Hi everyone. Authentic heritage meets modern technology for power, style, and the unadulterated riding experience around town or along country roads. 2023 Softail Standard. The new Softail Standard motorcycle offers the essential Harley-Davidson cruiser experience, a lean bobber profile steeped in attitude, the dynamic performance of the Harley-Davidson Softail chassis, and the unrelenting power of the Milwaukee-Eight V-Twin powertrain. Featuring classic vivid black paint and highlighted with gleaming chrome and polished finishes, the Softail Standard model is a Harley-Davidson motorcycle presented in its most elemental form. (2023) Street Bob 114. No nonsense, raw bobber attitude packed into the lightest weight Softail, equipped with a Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine. A perfect performance base for customization. Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, the most powerful option for a Softail. 2-up seating, black steel laced wheels, dark finishes. Available in 3 unique paint schemes, with the classic number 1 graphic on the fuel tank. 2023 Sport Glide. An aggressive combination of cruising agility and long-distance touring. Enough power and torque to go almost anywhere quickly. Rigid mounting and internal counterbalancing allows for a smooth ride without giving up the Harley feel that riders know and love. The frame retains the classic Softail lines, but its lightweight design and stiffness translate to a responsive ride unlike anything you've felt before. Inverted front forks and a rear monoshock with external preload adjustment give you the ability to customize your handling profile for any situation, including extra cargo and passengers. (2023) FAT BOB 114. From the modern, aggressive look of its 212 upswept exhaust and asphalt-devouring fat tires to the massive torque of the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine to the right of the Softail frame, to inverted front forks and easily adjustable rear suspension, the FAT BOB 114 is built to shake up the status quo. This is for the rider that wants to break new ground at a high rate of speed. New for 2023, electronic cruise control is now a standard feature. 2023 LOW RIDER S. An aggressive performance kingpin designed for the unapologetic power-hungry rider. An everything black overload, paired with a deep solo seat for lone wolf attitude. Top it off with a high-performance Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-Twin engine with precision oil. Air cooling is the new pinnacle of torque and displacement in a factory-installed Harley-Davidson powertrain. New for 2023, electronic cruise control is now a standard feature and traction control is an optional feature. 2023 LOW RIDER ST. This is how Harley-Davidson does sport touring, with style rooted in the California tall bike movement. The saddlebags ride high and tight, the rear suspension is jacked up, the handlebar is high, and the FXRT-inspired fairing is frame-mounted. The rider is in a commanding position on top of the bike, and the riding sensation is direct and reflexive. When the road trip is over, simply pop off the saddlebags to convert it from cross-country mode to urban performance cruiser. (2023) FAT BOY 114. The original Fat custom icon, now with bright chrome finishes. Hot rod riders who like satin chrome and a steamroller stance. Commanding the road with the fattest tires available in the lineup. Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-Twin engine and Lakester disc wheels. You'll feel the difference the instant you crack the throttle. New for 2023, electronic cruise control is now a standard feature. (2023) FAT BOY 114 Anniversary Edition. Proof that more is better. The original wide ride on 2 wheels with steamroller stance takes on a whole new look in celebration of Harley-Davidson's 120th anniversary. The original FAT custom icon, now with bright chrome finishes. Hot rod riders who like satin chrome and a steamroller stance. Commanding the road with the fattest tires available in the lineup. Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-Twin engine and Lakester disc wheels. You'll feel the difference the instant you crack the throttle. 2023 Breakout 117. The Breakout model returns to the North America model line, flexing more muscle and flashing bright new styling over its long and lean chopper profile. The muscle is provided by the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-Twin engine, the pinnacle of torque and displacement in a factory-installed, regular production Harley-Davidson powertrain that gives the Breakout rider instant bragging rights on the street. New for 2023, the bike has a 5-gallon fuel tank topped with a low-profile chrome console shape to lengthen the motorcycle profile and extend riding range. Also, a new handlebar riser and polished stainless steel handlebar is 3/4 inch taller for improved rider reach to controls. '23 Heritage Classic. The refined finishes, modern edge and reinvigorated ride of the Heritage Classic model take nostalgia ripping into the here and now. The Heritage Classic comes in 2 finishes from the factory. '23 Heritage Classic Anniversary Edition. The show-stopping Heritage Classic 114 model takes to the stage in a stunning, extremely limited edition that commemorates 120 years of Harley-Davidson. The Heritage Classic 114 Anniversary, limited to 1,700 examples and costing $22,699, a $650 premium over the two-tone option. Thanks for watching.